up? It's your Mish mate here on this fine, beautiful day. I've literally just got back from Argos. Look at this beautiful, oh, beaut, absolutely beautiful. Yeah, after losing the Phantom 3, which was sad news, but in that video there, this one. But yeah, a new chapter, new drone, DJI Mini 2. Let's crack on in a bit, oosh. Look at that, ching ching. DJI Mini 2. I was going to go for the 1, but why not just go for the 2? Anyway, plenty of unboxing videos, but Mish Mate Productions. It's a Mish Mate on a Mish. Right, let's get straight into it. And I do need to get a tripod, but I phone one. But at the moment, it's just going to have to sit there like that. It'll do though. Does the job, doesn't it? Oh, even the case, look at that. View. Oh. Got the accessories. And in here, as you're probably aware, the batteries. Charge 3 batteries. And it's also, you can plug your phone into it. It's like a power bank. So, can't go wrong with 3 batteries. I think that half hour of a battery, I think. You've got your basic plug there, the leads, just the general bits. Manual, paperwork, which is, you don't really need it. You probably do, best off, it's up to you, but get rid of that in a moment. Oh, DJI Mini 2 controller, a lot better than the Mini 1. In my opinion, anyway. And then you've got that. Where is it? This bit. Yep, phone straight in here. And on the bottom, you've got your little analog sticks. So, come out of there. Like so. And then screw on here. Screw them right up. And then when you're done, oh, just like that, nice and tidy. You've got your gimbal bit there, got the camera up and down. Take picture, take video. Sport mode, normal mode, and cinematic mode. And you've actually got return tone button straight up. There's no messing about in the, yeah. So yeah, pretty much it for that. And then, right, here's the beauty what we've been waiting for. Look the size of that, mate. Look at that. 2 man, is it that one? Oh, that one, that one, that one. Oh, just like that. Look at that. Beaut. Amazing, beautiful. That's pretty much it. So yeah, I'll get it charged up, and we'll be up in the air.